How to make Jamaican style turkey neck ghetto oxtails. Turkey neck brown stew with beans, Jamaican style ghetto oxtail. Here I have some turkey neck I cleaned. I removed the little fat from in the middle bone. Yes, I washed with lemon, vinegar, pat dry, and I'll be seasoning all purpose, smoked paprika, black pepper, a little salt, garlic powder. Yes, Maggi all purpose and Maggi chicken bouillon to season and marinate, and a little sazon. Feel free to use your seasonings as your ancestors tell you. I did not use any measurement. Quick and easy brown stew turkey neck, and I'll rub in my seasonings and I'll leave overnight to marinate. Ready to cook the next day, I added a little olive oil to my pot with a little brown sugar. You want to burn this to get a little browning color, but listen, turkey neck is hard to color. And then once this started to bubble or to start to burn, then I added in the turkey neck. On the side, I did my aromatics, garlic, ginger, pimento seeds, little cloves, onions, bell pepper. I use lots of garlic and bay leaf, escallion, and thyme. And within an hour, I added in my aromatics at this point to cook. This whole brown stew turkey, I would say, took 1 hour, 20 minutes to cook. Yes, because I want it to be fall off the bone like it's oxtail. In Jamaica, we term this as ghetto oxtails. Yes, I chopped them up in small pieces and I added some hot pepper to this. Then I added a tin of baked beans to this. This is optional, but listen, it's been years I haven't had brown stew turkey neck, and this was the bomb. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you haven't subscribed but you follow and you watch my videos, don't forget to give the video a like. In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepare turkey necks with a little white rice on the side, basmati rice on the side, some pasta salad, and a little veggie. Quick and easy video. Plate your food however you choose to. I love to use a small bowl to do my rice, but listen, the rice was so shelly it started to fall apart. Listen, and I love a shelly rice. So I just allow this to fall, and then I added my turkey neck, lots of gravy. Thank you for tuning in to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle, where I do home cooking meals because it saves a lot to eat at home instead of eating at restaurant. Clean up your plate edge. There goes some quick and easy dinner, and I did one with veggies and one without veggies. Someone didn't want green beans, broccoli, and carrot. See you soon in another video. Don't forget to like. Thank you.